Hello guys, let's begin the weekly outlook for the week of April 11. To begin, let's talk about USD The USD has been in a strong downtrend, and then we've seen in recent time a pullback towards 0.92. We expect price to move up from that zone 0.92 to first target 0.945 and then second target at 0.96. As long as this zone where it is now at 0.92 is not broken, we expect the market to continue to move. But if that zone is broken, we expect a drop, a retracement, and the drop may likely continue. So the likely place to place your stop loss if you're interested in buying this currency pair is around 0.91. That's about 70 pips with a target potential of 200 and 400 pips respectively. Euro USD has been also in a strong downtrend on the fast time frame in recent week, and we expect the downward trend to continue. But last week we saw a pullback, and we expect this market to continue to drop around 1.9. So as long as that zone is not broken, we expect to sell. The 200 EMA could also act as a dynamic level of resistance, and so the market is at its weekly sell zone at the moment. So we expect price to drop to 1.17 and it may continue down to 1.5. In any case, if the trade breaks 1.19, then this setup may be invalid. The Aussie USD has also been in a strong downtrend, and we expect that downtrend to continue as long as 0.77 is not broken. And so from the zone where it is now, the price could produce a strong sell down towards 0.755 and then further back down to 0.74. The likely place to place your stop loss for this sell in this bearish market rather will be around 0.76. The pound CHF also has been in a strong sell, so it's been dropping heavily. I expect the price to either rise up to from the zone where it is now to 1.27 or drop further down before it rises to 1.27. In any case, we would be poised to sell only when it rises to that zone 1.27, and then the likely target would be around 1.25. That's about 250 pips from the sell or the entry zone. The pound New Zealand has also been rallying, and we expect the price to continue to rally as long as 1.93 is not broken. So from the zone where it is now, we expect price to continue moving up or drop further down a bit and then continue rising. Our first target will very likely be 300 pips. That's at 1.977, and then the ultimate target is around about 2.0, which is about 600 pips. We think that's going to be achievable if it happens. Our likely stop loss will be around 1.92. So the risk to reward ratio is actually massive. The pound Aussie also, since it's highly correlated with the pound New Zealand, could also produce a continuous bullish move after the retracement from the zone where it is now 1.79 to first target around 1.8. The gold market has showed its seriousness in continuing the bullish run. Last week we talked about this zone, that is 1730. It produced a good move, about 200 pips, drop back down, and then it continues. So what we expect is that this price would rally 1,000 pips, that's around this point, to around 1850. So we expect price to get to 1850 perhaps next month. So our first target as we speak now will be 1780, and then it may get to 1850. That's about 1,000 pips from the zone where it is now. So that will be all for now. If you have any currency market, the currency you want me to analyze, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Okay, and do well to subscribe and like, so that when this content are posted on the YouTube page, you would see it immediately. That's all for now, guys. Bye.